Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of negative 2 to the power square root of pi is equal to what? According to Euler's identity, we know that e to the power pi I plus 1 is equal to 0, or taking this positive 1 to right side, we will get e to the power pi I is equal to negative 1 is equal to, here we can write 2 times negative 1 whole to the power square root of pi is equal to 2 times, now this negative 1 is equal to e to the power pi I, so we can write here e to the power pi I whole to the power square root of pi is equal to, we know that a b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m times a to the b to the power m. Now apply this formula, we can write 2 to the power square root of pi times e to the power pi I whole to the power square root of pi is equal to 2 to the power square root of pi. Again we know that a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Now apply this formula, here we can write e to the power pi I times square root of pi is equal to 2 to the power square root of pi times e to the power pi to the power 1 times, here we can write pi to the power half whole to the power I is equal to 2 to the power square root of pi times e to the power, now here we can write pi to the power 1 plus half whole to the power I is equal to 2 to the power square root of pi times e to the power pi to the power 1 plus half is 3 over 2 whole to the power I. Now from Euler's equation we know that e to the power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, or now we can write here e to the power pi to the power 3 by 2 times I is equal to cos pi to the power 3 by 2 plus I sin pi to the power 3 by 2. So finally the value of negative 2 to the power square root of pi is equal to 2 to the power 2 to the power square root of pi times cos pi to the power 3 by 2 plus I sin pi to the power 3 by 2, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.